iPhone XR. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, and today I'm showing you, let's line these up. Let me show you what I'm working with. The full-on Spigen lineup for the iPhone XR. Let's get into it. These are great, affordable cases, you know what I mean? So let me show you how to protect your device and also how to get multiple cases at a great price so you can switch up your swag with Spigen cases. Let's do it. Now, iPhone XR, oh yeah, this is inside the Rhino Shield Mod NX case, which is another dope protective case. You know what I mean? Go ahead, check that out too if you want to check out other videos I got, because it's the case-a-thon, and the case-a-thon always goes anytime we get a new phone. So, all right, you see what I'm working with right here. You see it, you see it. I'm gonna go ahead and open them all up so that way we can shoot through them faster. First up, we'll just do this one. This one is the liquid air case right here. Nice, soft, flexible, super light, all black, everything type of case. I like these ones. I like these light ones right here. It has a nice little cool little pattern on the back. I don't know if you can see that. Nice little grip to it. Very light, very minimal. Little raised lip on there so you don't scratch up your screen. You can see the camera cut out. Buttons feel great. Spigen cases are always on point. Another one of my favorites, this one right here, is the rugged armor. I always love that top and bottom carbon fiber-ish type of hits. Love it, enjoy it. Boom, look at it. Oh, it looks great with the Apple logo poking through. This one looks really good with the black and red, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna look good with a lot of colors. This one's nice. Love this patented, soft texture for cases. That's some of my favorite ones. Next one up is another favorite of mine. This is probably like my ultimate favorite Spigen case, which is the Tough Armor. This one gives you that super protection, but it's still light, low profile, and it comes with that handy kickstand. You know what I mean? I consume a lot of video media. This is a perfect case for me. I know my device is protected. I know I don't have to worry as much in the case of a drop, as well as I got the convenience of the kickstand. So that right there is the Spigen Tough Armor. Always love these, and I think they have different colors in these. Now let's get into the Neo hybrid cases. This is gonna be this silver and blue one right here. Boom, boom. Now this is a two-piece case. I'm gonna show you the other color. And as well, say if you want to do it, you know what I mean, since these are pretty affordable, you could grab two and switch up the two pieces and create your own case. I did that on, I forget what phone that was. I think it might have been the Note case review for the Spigen. Bam. Buttons are very responsive. We got that nice dual layer protection. So you got the hard plus the soft together, still light. Looks pretty cool. Here is the infamous thin fit, which is exactly as its name. Is very thin and it fits. It's very minimal. You know, everything's a cutout. Nothing's really covered at all. This is probably one of the most minimal cases you can get, but also not the most protective. So be careful. Get your Apple Care on deck. Don't be like me. All right, next up, I got what I believe to be some of the best cases that I think with these iPhone XR, especially if you're trying to show off your color. You know what I mean? You don't want to cover up the phone too much. You want it to be known that you got whatever color iPhone XR you got. You're going to want to look at these. These are the ultra hybrids. I got two colors. I got the black with the clear. So you get that black rim, which looks really great with the red iPhone. So if you like that black and colored look, that's what I love. I love black with color. I like wearing black anyway, if you haven't noticed it. So bam, that one is great, but they got the hard backing right there and the soft size so you don't mess up the size. This is probably gonna be the one. You know what I mean? Apple was supposed to release a clear case. Apparently they didn't, so why not get one from someone else? So this one right here is the clear case offering from Spigen. I love the clear case offering from Spigen. As you can see on the iPhone XS Max, the Gold Boy, I got that one rocking right now. So, look at that. You know, with these, you're gonna keep it looking good and you still get to show how good it looks. So I really like these clear cases from Spigen. Oh, I put down the wrong one. Hold on, player. This is the iPhone XR. And that right there about wraps up the lineup for the Spigen cases. I tried to make it quick, straight to the point, give you a good look, and you better believe all of these are wireless charging approved. There should be no cases to any phone that has wireless charging that isn't wireless charging approved. So my name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. You just watched the iPhone XR, product red, or whatever color you got. This is the Spigen Case Lineup. Get you some. Links in the description down below. Go, 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 go. I'm out of here.